In this tutorial, we will teach you how to record and use a simple macro in Excel. First of all, you will be required to add the Developer tab. In order to do that, go to the Backstage view and click on Options button. From the Excel Options window, click on Customize Ribbon tab and then check the Developer option. Now return back to your sheet and open the file from which you want to get the data. Press Ctrl F6 to switch between workbooks and return to your original workbook. Click on the Developer tab, and from the Code group, click on the Use Relative Reference button. Then click on the Record Macro button. You can name your macro, but make sure that there are no spaces between words. Next, select the shortcut key. In the video, we have used Shift and G, so the shortcut key would be Ctrl Shift G. You can add descriptions of your macro if you want to. Press the OK button and your macro will start to record. Since we are using relative references, thus we have to make sure that the keys we press will not leave any cells, and that data gets pasted to the first empty row it finds. In the video, we pressed Ctrl Home and then Ctrl Down arrow. Again, press the Ctrl Down arrow, and you will reach the last cell that has data in it. Press the down arrow once more to go to the empty row, and then use the shortcut key to switch between workbooks. Press Ctrl Home, and then press Ctrl Down arrow, and it will take you to the column header. Since we do not want to include the column header twice, we pressed the down arrow and went to the first cell that has data in it. Using your mouse will not help in selecting the data because we want to automatically cover all the data regardless of how many rows or columns it has. In order to do so, press Ctrl Shift Down arrow and then press Ctrl Shift Right arrow. After the entire data is selected, copy the data and switch back to the original workbook. Paste the data and click on the Stop Macro button to stop. Use the Escape key to remove the copied data from the clipboard. Now close the other workbook and open a new one from which you want to get the data. When the new workbook opens, use Ctrl F6 to switch back to the original workbook. Press Ctrl Shift G, which is the shortcut to run the macro, and the data will be copied and pasted automatically. Use this as many times as you like, with as many workbooks you want to. This is how you can record a simple macro.